Good morning and welcome to Bowen's Garage here in Ross on this sunny Sunday. This is our latest arrival, something a little bit special for you. 2014 on a 64 plate Fiat 500 1.2S automatic. Very rare car, 3 doors, finished in electric blue metallic, and it's covered just 10,000 miles from new. We'll have a good walk round. There's quite a lot to talk about. So, rare car being the auto, even rarer to have such a low mileage, 10,000. It's had one lady owner from brand new. I don't know where we find them, to be quite honest, but we do. And you're the lucky people who get to come and buy them. So one private lady owner, 10,000 miles, automatic model, sport model. And it comes with a 4-stamp service history right the way through its life, including a documented Cambelt Waterpump change in 2019. So absolutely bang up together with the service history. It was last actually serviced earlier this year. In fact, about a month ago. I had the Cambelt done last year. Electric blue metallic with the grey wheels. Super looking little car. Really stands out. It does have, which I've never seen before, the added option of the glass panoramic roof, which a lot of the lounge models have, but they're fixed in place. This is electrically sliding, so you can have it right back. It looks superb. And the theme continues inside. Half leather seats in great condition. Has the 500S embossed into the leather at the top. Black with the blue. Flashes are grey. It looks really, really different. Does have the electric mirrors. There you can see the roof is retracted. It does have a flat bottom steering wheel as well, which of course the normal 500s don't have. Trip computer up on the stalk there with the 2 keys that it comes supplied with. And on the steering wheel we have controls for the Bluetooth and the radio on the other side. So we'll step in. As we come down, AUX plug-in, and it does have Fiat's Blue and Me Bluetooth system. So dual logic automatic gearbox. So you put it into AM, and you can just drive it as a normal auto, but you can also do the gears yourself, should you wish. Electric windows, air conditioning of course. Look at that. It's just really cool little car. And we'll start the car up, so foot on the brake. There's the mileage, 10,563. Got all your bits and bobs. Virtual dash on this one, so different to the normal 500s again. Radio CD, MP3, and it does have the city steering button, which makes the steering go very soft, so ideal for parking. And the roof has the button just here. So if I switch the ignition on, push the button, here comes the roof. There we go. Easy as that. In the rear, Excellent condition. Again, half leather. Carpet mats. Into the boot. Actually not a bad size. Obviously it's a Fiat 500, so you haven't got acres of space, but not too bad at all. And it does also have underneath spare wheel. So there we go. Something a little bit different for you on a Sunday morning. Fiat 500 1.2 Sport, automatic, in the electric blue, just covered 10,000 miles only, with a comprehensive service history including Cambelt, and it's had just the one owner as well. The car will come supplied with 12 months MOT, 2 keys, and our standard 6-month in-house warranty. The price of the car is £7,995. Finance is available from around £38 a week, depending on deposits and the like. And we are working on appointments only basis, so if you would like to come and see the car, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us for our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups, and the like, please do visit our website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. One thing I did forget to mention is the road tax on the car is just £20 a year as well. So it's a cheap car to run, it looks, the dogs does, and it's ready to go. Have a good weekend.